गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास 7th। हम लोगों ने अभी आपका हीट चैप्टर जो है वो स्टार्ट किया था साइंस का, जो कि हम लोग यहाँ तक कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। पेज नंबर 40 तक आप लोगों को थर्मामीटर देखना और क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर जो है वो जो लैब का थर्मामीटर होता है उससे अलग होता है। क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर के यूजेस क्या क्या हैं, किस तरीके से उसे रीडिंग करते हैं, वो सारी चीजें अभी इनके प्रीवियस वीडियोस में आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू। नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट। हीट कैसे ट्रांसफर होती है और किस तरीके से हीट काम करती है, हीट का फ्लो कैसा होता है, वो हम जानेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग। पहले मैं इसे रीड करूंगी पूरे वीडियो में और देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट। यू माइट हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट अ फ्राइंग पैन बिकम्स हॉट व्हेन kept on flame. It is because the heat passes from the flame to the utensil. When the pan is removed from the fire, it slowly cools down. Why does it cools down? The heat is transferred from the pan to the surrounding. So you can understand that in both cases the heat flows from hotter object to a colder object. In fact, in all cases, heat flows from hot object to the colder object. How does heat flows? Let's investigate. Activity 4.6. Take a rod or flat strip of metal, say of aluminium or iron. Fix a few small wax pieces on the rod. These pieces should be at nearly equal distances. फिगर 4.7 में जैसे बताया वैसे clamp the rod to a stand. If you do not find a stand, you can put one end to the rod in the between bricks. Now heat the other end of the rod and observe. What happens to the wax pieces? These pieces begins to fall. Which pieces falls the first? Do you think that heat is transferred from the end nearest to the flame to the other end? The process by which heat is transferred from the hotter to the end to the colder end of an object is known as conduction. In solids generally, the heat is transferred by the process of conduction. Do all substances conduct heat easily? You must have observed that the metallic pan for cooking has a plastic or wooden handle. Can you lift a hotter pan by holding it from the handle without getting hurt? Activity 4.7. Heat water in a small pan or a beaker. Collect some articles such as steel, spoon, plastic scales, pencil, divider. Dip one end of each of these articles in hot water. Wait for a few minutes. Touch the other end. Enter your observation in table 4.3. The materials which allow heat to pass through them easily are conductors of heat. For example, aluminium, iron or copper. The material which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are poor conductors of heat, such as plastic and wood. Proper conductors are known as insulators. The water and air are poor conductors of heat. Then how does the heat transfer take place in these substances? Let us find out. Activity 4.8. Take a round bottom flask. If flask is not available, a beaker can be used. Fill it 2/3 with water. Place it on tripod or make some arrangement to place the flask in such a way that you can heat it by placing a candle below it. Wait till the water in the flask is still. Place a crystal of potassium permanganate at the bottom of the flask gently using a straw. Now heat the water by placing the candle just below the crystal. Write your observation in your notebook and also draw a picture of what you observe. When water is heated, the water near the flame gets hot. Hot water rises up. The cold water from the sides moves down towards the source of the heat. This water also gets hot and rises. And water from the sides moves down. This process continues till the whole water gets heated. This mode of the heat transfer is known as convection. How does the heat travel in air? In which direction does the smoke go? The air near the heat source gets hot and rises. The air from the sides come in to take its place. In this way, the air gets heated. The following activity confirms the idea. तो अब इसे मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, इसे आप कंटिन्यू देखिए. ओके.